welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today we are starting this video off with just some clean with me. My husband was so gracious to help me get the house cleaned up. We were finishing up. This is the aftermath of taking down all the Christmas decor, putting everything away, and now we just have to put the house back together. Now I will say, before the previous video, there is a video that you will see Wednesday where I was in the dining room getting all that stuff done while my husband was getting a lot of this area finished for me. So I won't be doing a lot of not decorating. I won't be doing a lot of cleaning in this video because he's done most of it for me. So all I have to do is mostly just put out the decor that I want for the winter. This year I will be using some winter green for my colors. So I'm going to be pulling out my dark green pillows, as well as I have that dark green blanket from last year. And that's about it. It's going to be very simple. I do want to go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's and do a little bit of shopping. Tell me where you guys are getting some of your decor from. I want to add in maybe 1 or 2 more live plants or trees. We did put the tree that I keep in the corner normally on the stairway, and I thought that it was really pretty right there. So I think I want to get 1 plant to go there, or a tree, to go there. But for right now, I just want to start off simple and kind of add as I go throughout the year. I am taking the vacuum. Now this vacuum was empty. I'm going to show you guys how full it got real quick. But I'm taking the vacuum and I'm getting everything up as best I can. And I am just trying to make sure the floor is clean before I do anything else. If you are watching for motivation for later, thank you so much. If you are not, then make sure you continue to clean with me. Put me on your TV, iPad, telephone, whatever device you need to get this motivation going, and let's get everything cleaned up and the house back to normal after the holidays. I do want to tell you also, make sure you take your time and hit that like button, as well as the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you do not miss any of my uploads. See how much stretch I had? But again, thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you to those who have been here for forever.